Welcome to TechTricks. Today I will show you how to create partition in Windows 10 and 11. So whenever you purchase a new computer or attached a new hard drive, it comes with a single partition, and it's always a good idea to have at least 2 hard drives. Right now you can see I have only one partition named local disk C. I also want to create another partition by the name local disk D. I will be creating another partition of 10 gigabytes. Left side you can see this PC. Right-click on Manage. Click Disk Management. Now here you have Look for C drive. Right-click on C drive. Click Shrink Volume. Once you came here, it asked what kind of amount you want to shrink. I typed 10,000 megabytes equals to 10 gigabytes. Click on Shrink button. This kind of amount has been separated from the drive. So now we have to create new drive for this unallocated space. Right-click. Select New Simple Volume. Click Next. Name the drive you want. Click Next. Don't change this default settings. Click Next. Click Finish. New drive has been created successfully.